You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to arrange apps on your iPad so everything is exactly where you want it. Start by tapping and holding any app icon on your home screen. After a moment, all the apps will start to jiggle. That's your cue that you're in rearrangement mode. From here, you can drag any app to a new position on the same screen or move it to a different page by sliding it to the edge of the screen until the page shifts. It's simple and works for any app you've got installed. If you want to group apps together, just drag one app directly on top of another. This will instantly create a folder. Once a folder is created, you can tap it to open and tap the name field to rename it, like work or games, depending on what you're organizing. You can also move apps into or out of that folder by dragging them while still in jiggle mode. You can move apps to the dock at the bottom of your iPad screen for quick access. Just drag the app into the dock like you would anywhere else. If you want to move several apps at once, tap and hold one app, then tap on others with another finger to group them together. Drag the whole group to a new spot or into a folder. When you're done organizing, tap the Done button in the top right corner or just press the Home button if your iPad has one. That's it, your apps are now exactly where you want them. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you later.